You may be wondering if you can add your own links to your digital planner. Well, two note apps currently make it possible. The first app we're going to be talking about is Goodnotes 6. To add a link in Goodnotes 6, go ahead and open your text tool and create a new text box. Whatever text you type in here will be the text that you see for your link. Select the text and choose Link. Here it'll open this dialog box, and you can choose if you want to link to a different document in Goodnotes or a page inside of your planner. You can also change the text from within the text dialog box. Once you tap on the link in read-only mode, it'll take you to that page. Another app that has this feature is Noteshelf 3. To create a link in this app, you'll do the same thing as before, which is create a text box and then enter the text you want for your link. Select the text and choose Link to. Here's where you can choose which page in the planner you'd like to link to. You also have the option of linking to a different document from within Noteshelf 3. And the last option here is to paste in a URL so you can link to an external web page. So once you've selected where you want to link to, you can also change the link text from within this dialog box as well. In this example, I created a link to my monthly overview page. So once I tap this link, it takes me directly to that page. So how can you use this handy feature? Well, one way I've been using it is to create a list of contents from within my section dividers. So instead of having to scroll through all the different pages that you've placed within a section, you can go ahead and create links right on the subject divider page to quickly be able to jump around to the different pages. Another way to use this feature is to link to pages that may have been deleted or aren't linked to the planner. So in the Dash Planner, I include alternative weekly layouts. These are different weekly layouts that you can copy and paste next to a weekly layout. So the only thing about this is that they won't be linked to any of the other pages. And a way to get around that is to create your own link. So I went ahead and created a link to these weekly pages so that I can access it from the monthly page. Probably my favorite way to use this feature is to link to pages or projects that I'm currently working on. So when I was working on the new widget sticker set, on my weekly overview page, I created a link to my testing page. That way I could quickly reference the project that I was working on that week. If you have any other creative ideas on how to use this feature, I'd love to hear about it in the comments below.